Hello fans of the biggest forestry machines and heavy equipment. Welcome to Top Moments TV, the most reliable source of inspiration and information about modern forestry. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to follow the latest information. We are taking a close look at the biggest, most powerful, and most dangerous forestry machines on the planet. Prepare for an adventure into the world of giant forestry machines, roaring beasts of unimaginable power and danger. You know, I rarely saw women in the logging industry back in the day. It takes courage and perseverance. I have great respect for the women who are paving the way for future generations. They are not just machines, but also giants of steel with power enough to shake the earth. You will soon witness their formidable presence on the timber battlefield. The mighty Tiger Cat 5702. Hot W is capable of felling the largest hardwoods and softwoods with incredible precision in the rocky soil of Michigan. And this machine is like a wild horse designed to adapt perfectly to the rugged terrain. But that's nothing. This Pacific is a real monster. It has such a torque that it makes me wonder about Earth. Look at the Beast Bell 8000, a woodworking beast with a 125 horsepower engine, enough to cut through any thick log like a hot knife, turning them into firewood perfectly and quickly.
Oh my God.
This is a game changer for the true forestry enthusiast. This activity is no joke, everyone forestry disc. Sea Mulcher is a game changer. With the Norwood Frontier OS 27, you get a machine that is designed to last in all conditions. Norwood not only puts quality into a machine, but also makes it budget-friendly, making it an indispensable choice for anyone who wants to enjoy durability and ultimate performance without worrying about the cost. Efficiency in deforestation for agriculture is expensive. Loss of biodiversity, soil erosion. And in 2022 alone, climate change has lost 12.7 million hectares of irreplaceable land. Forests are largely driven by commodities such as soya and palm oil. We need to find a better balance between agricultural needs and environmental protection. Can you imagine these logs? They will embark on an adventure starting from Aosite Bundle and set up adrift. But this is the kick they are aiming for. Jude Saint-Le Pen Rant that is over 150 million by water. Isn't that incredible? The NHS 450 feet represents a strategic investment in renewable energy. Impressive power and optimized biomass production perfectly match the growing need for sustainability. This machine fuels not just woodworking, but also ensures cleaner energy, independent future. And keep an eye out for the Lumberjack 450, the machine everyone will look up to. With its smooth 360-degree rotation and cleverly hidden cutting blade, there's nothing to slow you down. Built for big machines, the Lumberjack 450 is the ultimate machine for any task in the forestry industry. This is a dream for those who want to work efficiently without breaking a sweat. This baby really catches the eye with its smooth 360-degree rotation. That you'll love cut and stack wood with grace with ease. And that hidden cutting blade, genius, no more annoying obstacles.